What's up, everybody? Doing a antenna replacement on a Hyundai Sonata. This one they had on here got destroyed somehow, so I'm going to replace it. If this one looks kind of like how your setup is, and this video is for you. First, what I had to do is I dropped this seat so I could sit on it, and I took these retainers out right here very gently with like a little tool. I would do it very gently. You can pull them out. Then I pulled the handles off on both sides. You can just undo these two covers on the ends, and then you could take the screws out. They come right off. Then I had to take these panels off on each side. With the panels, you just take the door seal off. You pull it off, and then you just put your fingers in there and wiggle the panel until it comes loose, and then you can pull it up and out. Yeah, you got them both out on both sides. Actually, it wasn't that bad at all. Don't worry about this. I was looking at that earlier. But yeah, so once you get all that stuff, the headliner gets a little loose, and you could kind of creep up in here and see the antenna. Here it is. Here's a close-up shot, and you got two wires and a nut holding it in. So first, what we want to do is get it like a flathead and get the antenna part off. You just push down on this gently. That part will pop off. And then there's a connector that needs to be undone as well right here. I'm gonna have to do it off camera because I need both my hands. But basically it looks like this, and this part you don't push a button or nothing, but on the connector that connects to this, there's the button, and you push down on the button just like a regular connector, and then you pull on this one, and they'll come undone. It actually wasn't too hard once I got two hands in there. So once I got that done, it looks like there's a nut holding it on. The nut part is for this part right here. It's like a nut. It's a 19 millimeter. I'm gonna be able to sneak in there with my long ratchet. And I forgot to mention, while you're doing all this, be very careful not to stress the headliner or bend it. They bend easy, and when they bend, they crease. So you really are going to try to be being careful. So I got this in here. Once I got the nut loose, I was just able to use my hands to unspin it and get it out. Sorry about that beeping noise. All right, so we got that out. Don't lose this. Once all this is off, you could wiggle this up, and it still might be a little tight because there's like a little metal tab that may hold it in place. It's right here. If you just get really something small, you could slide in there and push that tab on the top of the roof here while you're pulling it, and it'll come out. So anyways, that's how you get it out. Installation is just the reverse of that. I'm not going to bore you and make you watch me install it, so if you got this far, you should be able to do just fine. Just put it in the reverse way, and be careful not to bend the headliner, and that's it, guys. So hope this video helps you out, and yep, my stuff's dying, so I'm gonna let you go. Thanks for watching.